So here I am in Clapham Junction. Oh, that was a South Western Railway train that's just left London Waterloo. And here we are just leaving Clapham Junction now. Over there is two pairs of South Western Railway Class 455s. So, oh, that was a Southern train that's just left London Victoria and Clapham Junction. It's now 1:15. Oh, over there are more platforms. Oh, more platforms. What was that? I heard something. Oh, there's a travel lodge over there. Oh, here we go, coming into London now. Wow. Oh. Oh, there's a London Overground train over there, class 378. Wow. Oh, it's getting dark now as we're coming to our final stop. Welcome aboard this South Western Railway service to London Waterloo only. The next station is London Waterloo. Change here for London Underground, Jubilee, Northern and Bakerloo line services. A light here for the South Bank, the London Eye, Houses of Parliament, Westminster Bridge and Big Ben. Coach 10 of 10. Oh, that was Vauxhall. Oh, class 700 just left London as well. We are the big buildings. Wow. We're in Battersea now. New Covent Garden Market. Definitely in London now.